Hey guys, today I thought that I would talk about a very basic but very important topic, and that is about my favorite hair care treatment products. So, without taking much of your time, I just want to pinpoint the things that work for me. And what I look for is, nice, healthy, simple hair care routine. So my simple routine includes, of course, hair oil. I just love to mix and match hair oils, and I love a very nice hair massage. And most of the time, it happens during weekends when I get a little bit of extra time for hair care. But apart from that, these are the four products that are my favorites, and I just love to keep them handy whenever I'm going somewhere because they are my trusted ones. So let's just start with something that I cannot live without and that always comes back to me and I keep repurchasing it. That is my Bumble and Bumble's hairdressers oil. Invisible oil. It is a product that I just want in my hair care routine because it just makes my job super easy, detangles my hair, frizz-free hair, and of course it adds that healthy shine to my hair that I just want. Healthy hair, healthy shine, growth, and of course I just love that, fluffiness when it comes to hair, like the silky smooth hair. So this makes my job super easy. This is like my setting spray, which I love to spray whenever I can. So this is the travel size, and I keep buying the big ones. And of course, whenever I am out somewhere, I would pour a little bit from this to this because that way it just comes handy. So I just love this. I keep suggesting this, and be it any season, I trust it because it just takes care of my hair, and I will keep buying it no matter what. I just love the whole feel and whole effect of it on my hair. After towel drying, I just put this on, leave it for a couple of minutes, and then I will just comb my hair, and then whatever style I want to wear that day, I would go for that. So that happens first. And after I'm done with my styling, I always love to use this because it is that beautiful drop of oil that does not feel sticky. It feels soothing. It goes so well. I mean, it is such a beautiful product. If you have tried it, the scent of it is just so soothing and relaxing. If you are into scents, it has got that beautiful aroma to it. Every time I put this on, I feel that I just want a moment with the oil. I just take a moment to literally smell it, and then I put it on my hair, and it just instantly gives the shine back. So this one and this one, it's a combo for me. First I apply this, then the styling, and then I go for this one. And it also takes care of the baby hairs. So I just use a tiny amount of it because I just want that added shine. I actually do not go for, I do not go after each and every baby hair. So I just want some shine, and that too healthy shine. It shouldn't feel sticky. It just needs to be, that polished, beautiful, healthy hair. So today I just wanted to try it here. Take a little bit. It is like that, okay? So it feels like, if you want me to describe the texture, I would say if you dilute honey and water, so you feel like that, but it is so lightweight, and it does not feel sticky at all. It is just a beautiful hair oil, and I told you every time I want to apply it, so I usually go for the ends, and there I just want a nice feel and a little bit upward, so that way it just adds that nice, you know, shine back. It just makes the hair feel so silky smooth, feathery light. I just feel that kind of texture when I put it on. So I always suggest this to my friends, to my family as well. If you have tried it, leave me your thoughts on the comment section so that we can connect on that. And these are the products that I usually use after my hair wash. It totally depends on the weather condition. If it is very hot and humid, yeah, I usually go for 3 washes per week. And if it is okay, then 2, mostly 3. So that's how I like it for my hair. And now I will tell you something about the conditioner and about the shampoo. The shampoo, I always go for L'Oreal. That is my trusted one. It works for me. It has helped me very much. So I just go for L'Oreal, and it is the Ever Pure one, the triangle shape tube. I love that. I go for different variations of that. But the conditioner, I stick to this one, and this is for my everyday use. I love it because it's very lightweight, it moisturizes, and I think it locks in the hydration. So I love that. Briogeo, don't despair, repair. Actually, it does what it says. So I just love it, and I keep buying it, and it stays in my travel kit as well. And another product which I love for intense hydration, and it is like a spa kind of feel, that is also coming from Moroccan oil, and this one is Intense Hydrating Mask. I love this mask. I cannot think about any other mask. I just love it so much. So these two from Moroccan oil, I have tried these. I love it. I keep buying it. And the travel sizes, because I always love to keep it handy whenever I'm going somewhere, because I can trust it completely. I would say that when you open this pack, it has got that creamy texture to it. You will see, you will feel the richness of it. The instruction says that after you're done with your hair wash, just towel dry it and then apply this one, massage it well, and then after 5 to 7 minutes, you just have to rinse it well, and that way you will feel that your hair is totally, you know, on another level. It is really that hydrating. And I would say that if you haven't checked this out, take a look at it. It's a travel size, good amount, and it lasts for a long period of time because you don't need it every single day, and certainly you don't need a very huge amount of it. So try it and see for yourself, because these 4, they are my fabulous, fantastic 4s when it comes to hair care, and I trust them, and I would always in my hair care shelf, they will always be there. So today only that, and then something interesting of course coming up, because we are coming to a month end and summer vacation already started. So you could hear kids jumping around. Well, that is my neighbor's kid. Okay, so this is Soma saying bye to you, and of course like, share, subscribe, comment. And you know, I would love that if you leave a comment on your favorite hair care products and the products that are the staple ones, of course, that works for you. And I'm no hair expert, but these products are definitely worth checking, and I just love them. And it's been more than, I think, 8 years or so that I'm using these products, and I will keep using them. Yeah, that says a lot, right? So hit the notification bell because you want to get notified every time I post a video. On that note, see you. It's just a kickstart, right? Bye.